İkinci bölüme hoş geldiniz.
Hey, get up.
Hey, Turyen'le.
I'm itchy.
Well, you slept in a barn, little lady. Lucky you don't have spiders in your hair. But I bet your daddy scared them all away, huh?
Sen
I'm, not her dad.
barda ufalın gibi.
Name's Lee.
Barın.
I'm Kenny.
Dad, we're in the middle of a fence.
Oh, it's
There's a
not
tractor and
meant-
everything.
Buna maçtı dara.
We better get going, or we won't hear the end of it. That's my boy, Ken Jr. We call him Duck, though.
Bu ne oğlum dak dedi. Dak?
Doc?
Yeah, nothing bothers him. Like water off a duck's back, you know?
That's a valuable trait lately.
Oğlum
No kidding. But frankly, I think it's because he's dumb as a bag of hammers.
Dad!
But he makes up for it with enthusiasm. The word is you were on your way to Macon.
My family's
Sen
from there.
Macon'lısın ya.
Well, Macon's on the way, and personally, I'd appreciate the company of a guy who can knock a couple of heads together if he has to.
Maybe let's
Maybe. We'll see how things shake out with this Herschel guy.
Good luck with that. He's a hard ass. Honey, Duck, this is Lee. And, what's the girl's name?
Hani
Clementine.
dak bu.
Clementine.
That is a very pretty name.
Thanks.
Well, we should get to work. We've all seen what those things can do out there, so the faster we get this fence up, the better.
I want to build a fence.
Yeah? Well, I need a good foreman. You can sit on the tractor and yell at me whenever I take a water break.
On a tractor?
Traktör zaten.
Cool!
Oo,
Duck and I will hop
traktör
to
mi? Yaman yaxşılap dedi.
I can keep an eye on your little girl here on the porch. We can visit.
Kendi sorusam kendi olur. Ayak et bırak oyunu.
Hey, Lee.
Hello.
Need a hand?
Well, kömek
That'd be
gerek mi?
great. If you could cut those 2x to length, that'd sure speed things up.
Keşke bağlısın orasını koştum.
My dad doesn't know how bad it is.
No.
Ben demek sen kafalamadı.
I saw a guy in Atlanta kill a kid. A boy. Just shot him right in the face.
Atlanta'da bir adam Kenan babanı öldürdü.
Was the boy one of the walkers?
I don't even know. He was either attacking the guy or asking for help.
Ben bölünme
He hesitated.
ne oyun gördüm.
He just turned, put the barrel of the gun right between the kid's eyes, and pulled the trigger. You don't see things like that. It's not like in the movies.
They don't fall like you think.
Did you have to do it?
Do what?
Kill. Have you had to off one yet?
Ha ulan birisini öldürdü miydi? Yok.
I had to shoot one.
I could shoot one. Maybe. If it were far away. I'm just glad we're getting this fence built. Dad just wants to keep the family safe and thinks inviting people in is a bigger threat than whatever's out there. How about yours? How's your family?
Hani sevmem yine dedi.
My brother and parents are in Macon.
Ben oğlum ve
Oh man, I hope so too.
Sandalye'den biri
Maybe it's not too bad there.
Yakında uzakta
That's probably all I need cut for now. Thanks.
Oldu oğlum gerek yok. Tamam.
Hey Lee.
Öyle.
Still need a hand?
That's probably all I need cut for now. Thanks.
Ya ama şimdi vardı.
Hey there, Kenny. Need any help?
Hiç kömek mi dedi?
No, I think I got it. Do you need any help?
What do you mean?
I mean, in taking care of that little girl. You know what you're doing? You got kids of your own?
I have no idea what I'm doing.
At least you're honest. Shit, better than I was when Duck showed up. You'll figure it out.
Kankisinin gidiğini bile oynuyor.
So what's your family's plan?
Get back on down to Lauderdale and let this mess get sorted out. Government will start handing out shots and the National Guard will do its thing. On the odd chance things got too bad, we could hop on my boat, I guess.
You've got a boat.
I'm a commercial fisherman, catching mackerel, dolphin, whatever's biting and paying. Katya wouldn't be wild about it, but the boat's not that bad.
How's your son doing?
Good, I think. Katya's got a sister up in Memphis. We were coming back from visiting her. We were in a gas station and some guy grabbed my boy. I thought he was kidnapping him. I was on the fucker in about 2 seconds and... Christ. Just lucky I was there. We saw a lot of bodies before we stumbled upon Herschel's. But we're a tough family, Lee. Ain't nothing gonna faze us.
See you.
You have such pretty hair.
It gets lots of tangles.
Hey there, girls. So, what do you do when corpses aren't walking around?
I'm a veterinarian back in Fort Lauderdale, like Herschel here, except more with dogs and cats and not horses. What is it that you do, Lee?
I used to teach up at the University of Georgia.
We need to hope that we can go back to our jobs soon, Lee. Back to normal. It can't stay like this.
Yeah, my mistake.
We'll all be home soon.
How did you handle getting through the city?
Kenny just drove. We passed so many people that needed help, and we just passed people over some. Just.
It's okay. It's fine. You don't have to say anymore.
I want to go home tomorrow, but even then, I can't take away the things Doc went through. Don't you want to go back to the moment before you knew about all of this?
Things were bad before. Bad now, but they're different, you see?
People are eating each other.
But they weren't before. The banks, the politics, the crap. Those things are gone. Hell comes in a lot of different colors. You two actually look relaxed.
I think we're doing just fine. Clementine was just telling me about first grade.
Oh, how was that?
It's easy.
Well, yeah. So, you're good?
Anyway, it's almost like we didn't see people eating each other for the past 3 days. It's peaceful here, no?
Back in a bit.
Okay, Lee.
How'd you get out of Atlanta?
I got a ride and then I was in a wreck. I walked until your boy found me.
Well, you're no worse for wear.
This farm's a nice plot of land.
Had you told me 20 years ago I'd still be doing this, I would have told you that you were full of crap. Never was the plan, having a place like this. It was in the family, and I guess so was I. Family's important. It's all that matters. You agree with that?
Was brought up to, yes.
Where's your family now? Parents? Wife? Girlfriend?
My parents are in Macon with my brother.
Well, I hope they're all right. But now you've got this little girl to take care of. Clementine, is it? You just stumbled up on her?
Yeah, I was looking for help in her house.
Can I give you a piece of advice?
Sure.
I don't know who you are or what you did. Let's say things don't get better back in the cities, or they get worse before they do. You're going to have to depend on the honesty of strangers if you're going to make it. And if those same people get to questioning yours, you're going to be in trouble. But at least you have the common sense to listen to a man giving you advice.
Go! I'll get my gun!
Hiç kanamaydı. Ay şimdi sarı mı? Ya ama yara yayın. Kararla gittim. Sonra koyalım.
I can fix you, don't worry. We'll stitch you up.
It almost got me, man. Lee tried to save me.
I know, son. I'm sorry. Sorry? Your son is alive. You don't get to be sorry. You tried to help him, but this piece of shit let him die.
You can't blame Kenny.
The hell I can't. You watch your back. Wait until it's your daughter and you need his help. Please. Just go. Get out and never come back.
Bir yerden gittim de kaçmam demeyin.
You've got that ride to Macon if you want it.
Macon'a gitmek gerek. Benden kalma. İnşallah başrolda kalan ölmeydi.
Well, this is as far as we're going.
And it's far enough.
Karan.
Hey there, you friendly?
Peki sen dostum.
Truck's run out of gas.
Sen rota benzin gerektiriyor. Yürüyün.
We can't take risks like this. And we can't just let people die either. When I say that door stays shut no matter what.
Yörek adamı unutma. Söyleyip de bize ne gerek adam şu yeterlenmemiz.
Worse, they could have let them right to us.
We have kids with us.
Bize de bağlama. He ikisi gelen.
What is it?
Evet bile değil.
I have to pee.
Ses yapmış.
I'd go out there again in a second.
In a minute, Clem.
Birazcık
They've
kaçtı.
got kids, Lily.
Those things
Ulan balığı Lili.
Maybe you should go join them then. You'll have something in common. God damn it, Lily.
Bize bir yaşamak için geldi. Gördük
Harley and
bu.
Greg just ran out there.
I don't give a flying fuck. We're in a war zone.
She's the leader here.
Kız mı başlık
But
böyle?
it looks like she's losing control of her people.
If you were in my shoes, you'd
Lili
be
akarsan.
Holy shit. Son of a bitch. One of them is bitten.
Bu nereden geldi? Bu çitlenge.
He wasn't bitten.
Bu çitlenmeye. Ağaç
We have to
çitlenge.
end this now.
Ağzıma onu öldüremez. Başında beni çiğnep etmezse.
I'm cleaning him up. There's no bite.
Ağzıma onu
He's fine.
emmiyenin arasına alayım ağaçında görürse uyarsa.
We let someone with a bite stay in, and we all
Ulan
end
ilk
up
geldiğinde yavrum
We
çitlenge.
gotta throw him out or smash his head.
Bu adam manyak mı? Öldüremem ben bunu.
What do we do about this guy?
Öldürürse öldüremem.
Dad, it's just a boy. It's
Lily, I'll handle
but
this.
your heart, Dad. You need to calm down.
It's either him or your son. I say it's him.
Goddamn right. Out on his ass with those things.
Everyone, chill the fuck out. Nobody's
Ama biz
doing
ağzınızı
anything.
ötüresler mi?
Shut up, Lily. And
Ağzını
you
yiyorum
shut
Lily.
the fuck up. They
Ya
will
sana
find
ağzını
us,
yiyorum.
and they will get in here, and none of this will fucking matter.
Yaman
Right
köse
now,
yine de
we're about
öldüresin
to be
geçti bu adam.
trapped in here with one of those things. What the hell are you talking about? He's bitten. That's how you turn.
He's not bitten. Please stop this. It's upsetting
Leo,
you.
uçursan
I'm
mı?
upsetting him. Upsetting is getting eaten
Sir
alive.
orası.
Get it? It's a big deal.
Onu şöyle sen kızın basa. Ama o yüzden kanamak bilen o daş.
United States Air Force. Fuck you and her. I'm gonna kill him, Cat. Just worry about Duck.
Onu öldürüp mü koluma aşağıda.
There's someone
İşlemeyen
in
birisi.
there.
It's just locked. Keys behind the counter.
Ey, Lee iyilik tuttu dedi.
Hey, I'm not the bad guy here. I'm just
Zaten
looking out
üstünde
for
durgan
my
mamalı
daughter.
dedi.
No, you're just the guy arguing for
Resistance
killing
mi?
the kid. He's covered in muck. She'll find the bite. Watch. She won't. And if she does, the first thing he'll do is sink his teeth into his mom's face. Then, once she's dead, he'll probably pounce on your little girl. She'll turn fast. Then there'll be 3.
It's a little boy. I think
Böyle
we can
kitken
handle it.
amalı.
A little
Onun
boy.
için o kitken amalı. Babandan ama.
Not
İşten gelme.
It is. And we're tossing them out now.
Knock this guy out.
Happily.
Jesus.
Yardın sen. Hey böyle. Uf. Oyun başlarından beri yıkılıp öttün.
Get away from her, you son of a bitch!
He bunun yanına uzak durayım. Ah adamım.
You okay?
Sen yaxşı mısın?
Just great, thanks.
Aa yaxşı sağ ol. Bağla. Yukarıda Clem'i adına çiren dedi onu kurtaranını.
They're gonna get in. Shut up.
Is that the military?
I don't know.
Thank God for
Bu da
whatever
soldat
it
mı?
is. We almost died because of this bitch and her itchy trigger finger. That was stupid. That was.
Dad!
Was he the one bitten?
Ulan çiren
Don't
gelme.
be crazy.
Ya
It's his
bu
heart.
zencini mi sen? Darla
Nitroglycerin
gerek.
pills? Yes.
Darla ne?
We've been trying to get into the pharmacy since we got here. Please try to get in there. Behind the counter where the pills are.
There's probably another entrance. Maybe through the office.
How do you know that's an office?
Sen ofiste bu an neren bilesin?
Doesn't matter. We need nitroglycerin pills. Please get in there. I'll keep an eye on my dad.
Everyone else should get comfy and look for anything useful. We could be in here a while.
I'm starting to think this drugstore isn't a permanent solution.
You're right. This ain't exactly Fort Knox.
What do you suggest?
We need as much gas as possible so we can all get out of downtown Macon. Fast.
Agreed.
And I'll head out and get gas. There's a motel not too far from here, out towards the end of Peachtree. I'll work my way towards it and then loop back, siphoning what I can.
Damn, that'd be great.
Well, it's gotta get done. Plus, I'm quick, and I know Macon.
Local?
Born and raised.
If you're gonna do that, here's a
Bu
walkie-talkie
bağı
if
yaptım
you
ha.
get in a tight spot. Hopefully, you won't need it.
Cool.
Clementine's got the other one. Check in with her and get back here as soon as you can.
And you, what's your name?
It's Lily. My
Bu
dad's
Lily.
Larry.
Keep a good
Benim
eye
adım
on
Lily.
These boys
Larry.
will work on getting you your medicine.
That's right.
And you keep an eye on that front door. You're our lookout. It's Doug. You got it.
Ben de
And I'm Carly.
benim
Okay,
Carly.
Carly, you'll shift in with Doug when he needs it. For now, get some rest. You're a good shot, and I'd like to keep it that way.
You got it, boss.
Now get him those pills.
Başlık mı olduk? Kolay mı?
We can't let anything happen to Ducky.
I know, hon.
What are you messing around with there?
Yeah. I can't get it to work, though.
Here, have a look. There are no
What the hell?
batteries in this thing.
What now?
You know that there are no batteries in that thing.
Yeah, of course. I mean, yeah. No.
I can try to find some. Needs two.
Thanks. I wouldn't even really know what to look for.
This battery should fit the radio.
Great. Thanks.
And here's another one.
Should be able to get it to work now.
You're a pretty good shot.
Sen yaması yok.
Well, you don't fuck with a reporter, especially one that's 3 days out from her last cup of coffee.
It's still not working?
Yeah, I can't figure it out.
Let me have a look at that thing.
Go ahead.
İşledim neydi? Yok. Kaçalım bir yerine. Ters tuttum. Al. Kapağını yapamam desem. Mıntın atalı. Beko ötüreli.
You fixed it.
Continues to spread unchecked. The estimated death toll continues to skyrocket. WABE urges you to stay indoors and avoid any contact with individuals you suspect may have been exposed.
The station is okay.
Just
In the
need to
event
get
of a
back to
full
Fort Lauderdale.
my producer's telling me we have to get off the air.
Steve.
WABE wishes you and your loved ones.
Ne oldu? Bir yerler niye bilen
Think
sattılar bu?
about them in here.
Ya dur. Ben bir fikrim var. Sat bir kere ya. Ne yaşıyordu? Ava. Yine Lee'nin deresinden mamasının yanına mavası. He Lee'nin marketi bu. Lee'nin deresi marketi. He.
Find anything?
Burada taptın mı? Ava de Just picture.
Just a picture of whoever was here.
I know who you are. You're Lee
Sen
Everett.
anima, sen
You're a
Lee
professor at
Everett.
Athens who killed a state senator who was sleeping with your wife. This is your parents' store. Folks around town know the owner's son got himself a life sentence, but I'm a reporter for WABE in Atlanta. I paid attention to that trial. Maybe you're a murderer, but I don't really care. Frankly, that's a skill that might come in handy. Did you tell anyone out there who you were, or that you were tied to this place?
No, I've been sticking to first names for a reason.
You seem like an okay guy, and the last thing we need is
Sen
drama.
yaxşı adamsın.
You've got this little girl to take
Bilemem
care
deyip
of.
prosta.
Look, don't make me wrong on this.
I don't plan to.
Good, because if this lasts longer than a few days, and you're a detriment to the group, then we'd have a problem.
I hear you.
I'll just keep it to myself.
Thanks.
Don't worry about it.
Yani Clementine kömekleştirdi maşını iteletmek. Onun kabuğu olsa hiç kim kömekleşmiyor. Ödem kabuğu itelet bilmiyor atarım maşını. Bize geldi sonra itelerdi. Yaxşı.
What's that?
This was my dad's cane.
Buna da bu da bana ödeyem ağzası. Uğurlarsan karısı girse izlerini o kadar mutlu çıkardı.
I actually saw him whoop shoplifters with it. This cane's protected this place better than any guard dog ever could. Plus, he knew how to make it look cool. Like you with your hat.
My dad gave it to me.
Yani oynanla yaman yaxşı oyun bu ikili. Artık oyun 4 sezonu mu 4. sezonu hala telefona çıkmadı.
Gotta clear this door for when we find
3 sezonu var hala telefonda. 4. sezonu çıkarsalar oynayacak mı?
Better get this door clear.
Yaman yaxşı ikili 4.
Can
sezonu.
I help?
Ah hayli.
Sure. Here we go.
Nereden gördüm? Easter Gamers diye bir kanal var. Türk kanalı. Şundan gördüm.
How are you doing?
Yeah,
Noodle
it's
şimdi.
not that heavy.
Ya
How about with everything outside?
It's not good,
No, it's not.
but I think it'll be okay.
Okay, here we go.
ikinci sezonda hiç kusura etmedi. Tanısana.
Do you have kids?
No.
İkinci
You don't
sezon
have a family?
hiç kusura etmedi. Kazak mı optuk hadi.
Let's just move this thing.
Oh,
Mıncılar itelecek
Okay.
oralı.
I'm sorry.
Bilmeyelim. Geçirese.
All right.
Yaman
a little
yaxşı.
further.
Why don't you want to talk about your family?
Sen
Do they,
niçin
like,
sevmem
hate
bunu?
you?
Geplasin gemini. Niçin nasıl ola öldü?
Because they're dead.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Tamam şekerim
You
öldü.
didn't know.
I'm just sorry for being mean.
Oyun 2014 yılda çıkan 2019 yılda içeride sezon Telltale Games Cult Walking Dead oyunları etimizden. 4. sezon final sezonunda. Ben yaman adam mesmen.
Things happen and
Ben bir yerin olmağını bilmem. Prosta
My parents don't talk to me when I get in trouble.
I can relate.
vaxtlar bu mindi de Clementine.
Ow!
Oh. Parmak kanan durun kime geldim ben bunu.
I hurt my finger.
Is it bleeding?
A little.
I'll find you a bandage.
Ona darın verin. 30.000 puanla video ölçülü. 25, 26. Hadi gel.
Let's have a look at that finger. How?
It hurt.
Let's see
Artık
if we
değil.
can do something about it. Let's get this
Hadi
covered
yapıştırayım.
up.
Yes, please.
Virüs septar attık yani. O zaman bunu sülp de geldiren zombilerin sen kaç yetişbiliminler. Şunlar Bola desa hoşuňa bagla.
Lee,
Patpiske boňla.
what if my parents come home and I'm not
Hoşuňa
there?
ýöşünden dowam etemiz. Gölüňe başynda. Men sevmem ýerde kim bilesem bir kele bir ýere
Well, we should
gatdypmy.
keep a lookout. I've got my
Ya,
walkie-talkie in
Ulan
case
tapça
they try
korktanıma.
that way.
Söz berip durma.
Stay close to me until then, okay?
Kim aýtmasak. Ýaşmy? Bir temem marketlikine. Hoşuňa. Patpiske boňla, like atyňla. Ya aşağı ýazaňla, bir daha atyňla. Hoşuňa bagla.